Join me as I take on the challenge of achieving financial independence using proven strategies, and see if I can reach early freedom. Today, we're going to talk about something that I think is really important in today's world: achieving early financial freedom. Having the ability to live life on your own terms, without being tied down by money worries, is incredibly liberating. And I truly believe that it's possible for anyone to achieve, no matter what their current financial situation may be. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive into some proven strategies that can help you get there. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles that people face when trying to achieve financial independence. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or mortgages, owing money to someone else can be a huge burden. Not only does it drain your bank account, but it can also weigh heavily on your mind. Another common challenge is a lack of savings. If you're not putting aside some of your income each month, you're not giving yourself a safety net in case of an emergency. And finally, financial illiteracy is another major obstacle. If you don't understand how money works, you can't make informed decisions about your financial life. Many people struggle with these challenges because they don't even know where to start. They feel overwhelmed by their financial situation, and they don't know how to take control of it. But it's not all bad news. The good news is that it's never too late to start making changes. You can start by taking small steps towards financial independence, like creating a budget or starting to invest your money. The important thing is to take action, not to wait for the perfect moment, or until you feel like you have everything figured out. Because the truth is, you'll never feel like you have everything figured out. But by taking small steps towards your goal, you can start to make progress and take control of your financial life. The third challenge I want to talk about is the fear of not knowing what to do. This is a big one, because it can hold people back from taking action. They might think to themselves, "I don't know how to invest, or how to create a budget, or how to make more money." But the reality is, you don't have to know how to do everything. You can learn as you go, and you can start by taking small steps towards your goal. For example, you could start by reading a few books about personal finance, or taking an online course. You could also talk to a financial advisor, or join a community of people who are working towards financial independence. Moving on, let's talk about some proven strategies for achieving financial independence. One of the most important things you can do is create a budget that actually works for you. This means tracking your income and expenses, and making conscious decisions about where your money is going. Another strategy is to invest your money wisely. This could mean putting your money into a retirement account, or investing in the stock market. It could also mean investing in real estate, or starting your own business. The key is to find a way to make your money grow, rather than just sitting in a savings account earning minimal interest. Finally, building passive income streams is crucial for achieving financial independence. This means creating sources of income that don't require you to actively work for them, like rental properties, or dividend-paying stocks. One strategy that I want to highlight is the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like rent and groceries, 30% towards discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies, and 20% towards saving and investing. This is a simple and effective way to prioritize your spending and make progress towards financial independence. Another strategy is to automate your savings and investments. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you'll ensure that you're making progress towards your goals without having to think about it. Let me share a success story that I think really illustrates the effectiveness of these strategies. A few years ago, I met a woman named Sarah who was struggling to make ends meet. She was working multiple jobs just to pay her bills, and she felt like she was drowning in debt. But Sarah was determined to take control of her financial life. She started by creating a budget and tracking her expenses. She then began to invest her money in a retirement account, and started building passive income streams through freelance work. Within a year, Sarah had paid off her debt and had begun to build wealth. She was able to quit her jobs and focus on her passions, and she felt a sense of freedom and empowerment that she had never experienced before. Sarah's story is not unique. There are countless people out there who have achieved financial independence using these strategies. And the good news is that you can do it too. By taking control of your finances, investing your money wisely, and building passive income streams, you can achieve early financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. To summarize, achieving financial independence requires taking control of your finances, investing your money wisely, and building passive income streams. It requires discipline and patience, but the payoff is well worth it. So if you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, I encourage you to start taking action today. Finally, I want to invite you to share your own financial goals in the comments below. What are you working towards? Do you want to pay off debt, or build wealth? Do you want to achieve financial independence, or simply feel more in control of your finances? Share your goals with us, and let's work together to achieve financial freedom. And if you want to learn more about achieving financial independence, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.